In this video, I will show you how to change your Shopify theme language. So you can see right now for me it's in Croatian. Now if I want to change this to, for example, English, then what you will need to do is open up your Shopify admin dashboard and go to settings in the bottom left. From there, click languages, and next to the default language, click on the three dots and select change default, and then here set it to whichever one you want. And then English translations in this case will be made for the following areas: checkout and system, and your theme. So go and click save. Now when I go back to my store here and refresh, you will now see that stuff is in English. Now the things that don't change for me when I do this is the main head title and the name of your store. So those things you will need to change yourself, which will only take a few seconds. So that's how to change your Shopify theme language. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.